Hello everyone, greetings from Team ELECTROSAL. Today we are going to present you project model number 712 titled Intelligent Car Accident Prevention and Airbag System. Now let us look at the hardware and then the practical working. Here you can see our intelligent car accident prevention and airbag system. In this project we are using an ESP32 microcontroller which acts as the central controller of the system. To detect sudden collision or impact, we have used a vibration sensor. This sensor continuously monitors shocks and abnormal vibrations. For airbag activation, we have used relay module which acts as the switching interface between the ESP32 and the airbag deployment mechanism. For emergency alert communication, a GSM module is integrated which is used to send SMS notification to predefined emergency contacts. To provide accurate location details, a GPS module is used which tracks the real-time location of the vehicle. A buzzer is provided to give immediate audio alerts inside the vehicle during critical or unsafe conditions. There are other supporting components that includes voltage regulators, resistors, capacitors and switches. Now let me demonstrate the working of this project. To understand the working of this project, when the vehicle is powered on, the ESP32 initializes all connected modules. Under normal driving conditions, the vibration sensor continuously monitors vehicle movement. If a sudden impact or severe collision occurs, the vibration sensor detects the shock instantly and sends the signal to the ESP32. Based on the impact intensity, the ESP32 triggers the relay module which activates the airbag deployment system. At the same time, the buzzer turns on to alert the occupant inside the vehicle. Simultaneously, the GPS module retrieves the exact location and the GSM module sends an emergency SMS containing accident information and live location to predefined emergency contact numbers. This immediate response helps in faster medical assistance and rescue operations. Now, I am going to demonstrate the working of this project. The title of the project came on the LCD screen. Now status initializing. When I given the vibration sensor reading, the relay turns on and the vibration sensor sensing the media will activate the airbag and the required GPS location will be sent through GSM to the predefined registered number. You can clearly see the location with the message will come to the predefined mobile number. You can clearly see the location of the accident occurs.